Whether you're looking to explore the alpine summits of Japan or aerial surveying land for development, the latest generation of exploration gadgets offer a range of exciting options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative exploration gadgets which will not only visualize the plan, but awaken the wonder. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The AXIOM's hologram table creates immersive and interactive holograms out of light, which can be viewed by multiple people. Interactive animated 3D models, polygon models such as CAD or architectural designs, and even laser scans of entire cities can be projected within a truly social holographic experience. Up to 4 people can experience simulations simultaneously by wearing unique viewing glasses which interact with point cloud rendering technology to create holograms which are projected up from the table around 50 centimeters and down into the table by more than 1 meter. The table communicates with microchips located within the glasses to identify their precise location and what they are viewing, allowing for the exact projection of light to be calculated and emitted. Frequency separation crystal films in the lens of the glasses and on the table surface filter the light, creating the holographic experience. Stereo speakers are included to add exciting soundscapes to presentations, along with a touchscreen control panel for easy administration of the device. In contrast to virtual reality headsets, the AXIOM table allows people to collaborate via non-verbal cues whilst experiencing a 3-dimensional model. This allows for a truly engaging experience, ideal for conveying information efficiently, such as the intuitive understanding of complex terrain, making it an attractive option for property development, geospatial projects, military use, and gaming. The Zero DSRX is an electric adventure bike, boasting insane handling both on and off the road. The Z475 10X motor delivers 166 pound-feet of torque while producing some of the most linear power available on any motorcycle. The bike features show as 1.8-inch separate function fork suspension with rebound, compression, and preload adjustability. The shock is also a fully adjustable unit with a 1.8-inch piston. The bike's braking system consists of a pair of G1 4-pot calipers mated to 8.1 by 0.19-inch discs. In the rear is a single 10.4-inch disc and 2-piston caliper, lean-sensitive ABS, hill hold control, off-road ABS, and link braking is supported. The DSRX features 5 different ride modes: Range, Street, Sport, Eco, and Canyon. There is also a feature called Off-Road, which is an alternate setting to each of the existing ride modes, whereby traction control is significantly relaxed and ABS is deactivated. As options, Zero offers tubeless wire-spoke wheels and Pirelli Rally STR tires, in addition to a chain conversion kit for those who really want to test the limits in deep mud and more severe off-road terrain. With prodigious thrust, an impressive array of ride modes, and rapid charging capabilities, the Zero DSRX makes for a premium and thrilling adventure bike experience. The DJI ZENMUSE L2 is a high-end aerial surveying and mapping drone designed for topographical mapping. The technology utilized in the creation of these models includes LiDAR, which emits up to millions of laser pulses per second, each pulse bouncing back to the sensor after hitting an object. By measuring the time it takes for each pulse to return, the sensor calculates the exact distance to objects, resulting in a complex point cloud that forms a highly accurate 3-dimensional map of the surveyed area. It is capable of penetrating vegetation and capturing the ground surface beneath, which is particularly useful in forestry and land management. When LiDAR data is combined with high-resolution RGB imagery, it provides a textured, colorized point cloud that offers a more comprehensive understanding of the environment. This visual context is essential for applications where the detail and color of the terrain are necessary for analysis, such as in land management, environmental conservation, and urban planning. For advanced applications, such as autonomous navigation, precision farming, or infrastructure inspection, a combination of LiDAR and IMU is utilized. DJI's Terra software allows for the conversion of all data into usable visualizations as well as the ability to plan and program flights. The DJI ZENMUSE L2 is a paragon of innovation in aerial surveying, offering mapping and surveying professionals an instrument of unmatched precision and reliability. Advanced Navigation's HYDRUS is a fully autonomous underwater drone designed for underwater imagery and data collection. Boasting an AI-powered sonar navigation system, the device is capable of full autonomy, navigating around obstacles such as marine life and adjusting missions in real time. The device's cinema-grade 4K 60 FPS camera and intelligent AI allows for the low-light capture of video footage and still images in addition to creating point-and-click 3D map interfaces. Geo-reference footage and sound recording is also supported. With the ability to operate underwater for up to 4 hours, HYDRUS has plenty of time to travel to its maximum depth of 1.8 miles whilst enduring currents of up to 6 knots. A dedicated web interface makes it simple to plan and execute underwater missions in 3D, while 258 gigabytes of internal storage allows for the comprehensive collection of information. HYDRUS has been built on an open platform, so users can load their own software and train the AI system to recognize specific marine species. The compact size and minimal weight of HYDRUS means it can be launched by a single person and taken as carry-on when flying. Whether you're inspecting offshore wind farms, capturing undersea cinematography, or monitoring coral reefs, Advanced Navigation's HYDRUS presents an accessible and professional-grade alternative for underwater imagery and data collection. Designed for deep snow mountain exploration, the TAIGA EKKO electric snowmobile delivers a powerful, hassle-free experience. With its narrow stance, the EKKO provides excellent agility so you can tackle tougher terrain with ease. The snowmobile is available in 2 packages, Standard, which delivers 120 horsepower, and Performance, which outputs an impressive 180 horsepower. At elevations over 1.2 miles, the electric motor of the EKKO has a huge power advantage over naturally aspirated production mountain sleds, as its output is not affected by the lack of oxygen. This also translates to massive increases in comparative torque. The EKKO features standard independent double wishbone front suspension with 8.66 inches of travel, while the rear of the snowmobile utilizes more traditional Rad-M multi-link suspension featuring 10.6 inches of travel. The standard version boasts a 60-mile range, while the extended model can travel up to 80 miles between charges. Level 2 charging is supported. Custom terrain profiles are available, allowing the rider to custom tune the output of the vehicle to conserve battery life, such as during the trail ride in and out of a zone. The impressive range, zero maintenance, powertrain, and ergonomic handling of the TAIGA EKKO makes for a unique and powerful alternative when conquering deep snow summits. So guys, if you are looking for an exploration gadget, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to that ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.